Hi, good evening. In previous video, we have discussed about cloud computing, what is cloud computing, and where we are storing data. Here we are going to discuss about the cloud storage, how data is collected and how data is stored in the cloud, and we are accessing those data. Those things we are going to discuss in cloud storage. Cloud storage is a model of data storage in which the digital data is stored in logical pools. The physical storage spans multiple servers, and the physical environment is typically owned and managed by a hosting companies. It is a service model in which data is maintained, managed, backup remotely, and are made available to users over a network. Your network typically through internet. Usually, they pay for the cloud data or storage on a per consumption monthly rate. Cloud storage provides a scalable and flexible solutions for our data storage needs, eliminating the need of physical storage hardware on site. We are having a different key components for the cloud storage. The first one is an object storage. What type of storage we are doing, like file storage or object storage or block of data stored. These are the these are the types of cloud storage. In object storage, it will store the data as an objects like files or blobs in a flat address space, ideal for large amount of unstructured data like such as photos, videos, and backups. In block storage, data is stored in fixed blocks, like a traditional hard drive, typically used for applications requiring for high performance and low latencies, Google Persistent Disk, Azure Disk Storage. And then file storage is data stored in a hierarchical file structure and accessed via file sharing protocols like NFS or SMB. Example, Azure files, Google Cloud files, Amazon EFS. These are the file storage. Then, based on that, we have storage classes and tiers. Standard storage has a high performance, frequently accessed data, and suitable for active data and workloads require low latency. In infrequent access, it requires low cost storage for data that is accessed less frequently but requires rapid access when needed. Archive storage is the low cost storage for data that is rarely accessed and can tolerate a higher retrieval times. Example, Google Cloud Archive, Azure Archive, etc. Then we have different key features also. First of all, how actually cloud storage works. If a resource owner, a person, or a client have to SaaS screen, have to share some data to the server, it first give an authentication request. Then authentication to the server, request to the server. The server will response to be shared by the server to the client. After getting a response from the server, the client have to transmit data to the server and then establish a connection for data transmission between the client and the server. So we can directly access the data from the server once we are authenticated. If data storage, if authentication is failed, we cannot access the server. For example, if suppose if we want to access our Gmail, if we need to access, we need to give a username and password. That password is an authentication. We are giving an authentication. We are giving a request to the server by using that username and password. Once it is gets verified, then we have an access to our mail, so that we can view our mail, like inbox. Or else if it is not authenticated, there will be it will be showing some error, so that if authenticated persons only can access those server. It has some key features like scalability, durability, accessibility, security, cost efficiency, and it has a redundancy, core of cloud computing, equipment, data servers and power supplies, and data files like replications. These are the some limitations will be there. And for example, for iPhone users, we are having an iCloud as a cloud storage. iCloud is a service provided by Apple 5 GB storage space is free of cost. Once the iCloud is used, you can share your stored data on any of your different Apple devices. Access we can You can access all files, music and calendars and email through iCloud. With the cloud storage, there is no need for CDs or external hard drives or localized servers. Data is quickly and automatically updated in cloud and available for your retrieval whenever you need it. Should your office become the victim of a burglary, fire, or natural disaster, your data is safe and secure in the cloud, even if your physical assets are destroyed. One of the greatest benefits of cloud storage is its ability to grow with its users. With no need of for physical or on-site storage space, you can have a smaller workspace, less equipment to buy, and fewer IT employees to maintain your equipment and manage your data. The main advantages of using cloud storage is it has a higher usability, higher bandwidth, accessibility, disaster recovery, and cost savings. Grid computing was the last research-led centralized approach. However, there are concerns that mainstream adoption of cloud computing could cause many problems for users. Many new open source systems are appearing that you can install and run on your local cluster. Thank you. These are the disadvantages of cloud storage. We should have a usability and better bandwidth. We have to access data as much as possible, and it should also provide a data security. This is the concept that we are using in cloud storage. Thank you.